Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson on training and development function outsourcing. Today we will explore what training outsourcing means, why companies prefer it over in-house training, and how it benefits organizations globally. Let's get started. What is training outsourcing? Training outsourcing is when a company hires external experts or organization to handle its employee training programs instead of managing them in-house. Think of it as hiring a specialist to train your employees on specific skills or topics. This could involve outsourcing them entire training process or just certain parts like technical or leadership training. For example, a company might hire an external firm to provide IT training for their employees instead of creating a program from scratch. Let's talk about the three main types of training outsourcing. First, we have full outsourcing. This is when a company gives the entire responsibility for training to an external provider. The vendor takes care of everything from creating the training content to delivering it and even tracking the results. This is perfect for companies that don't have the time or resources to manage training internally. For example, a startup might outsource all their employee training to focus on growing their business. Next is partial outsourcing. Here the company outsources only specific parts of the training program like technical skills or compliance training while managing the rest in-house. This is great when you want experts to handle specialized areas but still prefer to conduct some training internally. For instance, a company might outsource IT training but handle communication workshop themselves. Finally, there's managed service. This is a long-term partnership where the vendor continuously manages the company's training needs. It's like having a training partner who grows with your business. For example, a multinational company might work with a vendor for years to ensure employees worldwide get consistent and updated training. Each type offers flexibility so companies can choose what works best for them. Simple, right? Now let's move on the next section. Why do companies outsource training? There are several reasons companies choose to outsource over in-house training. Let's break them down. 1. Access to expertise. External trainers are specialists in their fields. They bring knowledge, techniques, and tools that might not be able within the company. 2. Cost savings. Building an internal training program can be expensive. Outsourcing reduces cost for hiring trainees, creating content, or maintaining a training facility. 3. Flexibility. External providers can offer customized training program based on the company's needs. They can also scale up or down, depending on how many employees need training. 4. Time efficiency. Organizing in-house training takes time. Outsourcing allows companies to save time and implement training faster. 5. Focus on core business. When training is outsourced, HR and management can focus more on important business activities instead of managing training. 3. Why is training outsourcing effective for companies? Now, let's discuss why outsourcing is providing effective for companies worldwide. 1. Consistency across locations. For global companies, outsourcing ensures that training is the same for all employees no matter where they are located. 2. Advanced tools and technology. Training providers often use the latest tools like e-learning platform, virtual reality or simulations, or making learning more effective and engaging. 3. Performance tracking. Most outsourcing vendors provide detailed reports so companies can measure the results of their training efforts. 4. Building competitive teams. Effective training helps employees gain new skills and improve their performance, making the organization stronger and more competitive. 5. Global reach. Outsourced training programs are designed to work for multicultural and international teams, making them suitable for companies' operations across the globe. Here are some common types of training companies outsource. Example of outsourced training programs. 1. Leadership development, preparing employees for managerial roles. 2. Technical skills training, for example, IT certifications or learning new software. 3. Compliance training, ensuring employees follow laws and regulations such as safety standards. 4. Soft skills training, improving communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills. 5. Things to consider before outsourcing. Before a company decides to outsource training, they need to think about that. 1. The vendor's reputation. Is the vendor experienced and reliable? 2. Alignment with company goals. Does the training match the company's needs? 3. Cost versus value. Will the money spent bring good results? 4. Customization options. Can the training be adjusted to fit the company's culture? Challenge in training outsourcing. Outsourcing isn't perfect and companies may face challenges like 1. Loss of control. They might not have full control over how training is delivered. 2. Cultural differences. The external trainer might not fully understand the company's values. 3. Dependency. Relying too much on an external provider can create issues later. To wrap up, training outsourcing helps companies save time, reduce cost, and access expertise while building better teams. However, choosing the right vendor and regularly reviewing the results are key to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational content. See you in the next lesson.